Okay, second video. This is going to cover the inside. You're going to get two keys, or a set of keys that look similar to this. The black key unlocks all of these black doors all around the compartments around the building. The purple unlocks the front door. When you unlock the front door, please just use the bottom lock. We're having problems with this top lock right now. The bottom lock should be fine. It's already unlocked, so, and this will be, here's your, when you get to traveling, there's your support. Okay, that's latched up, unlatch that, pull it down, you get down to the bottom. If that's not leveling correctly, you have a cotter pin right here, pull that out. This slides up and down to get the right length you want to level that out for you. You have that option on both sides, okay? Okay, this is the inside. This is shown with the slide out, okay? We've got this already pulled out so you can see the beds. This is actually a couch. Right now it's pulled out. You got a bed underneath here. You got one on the top. You got a full bed here. And then if you need more space, this turns into a bed also. You just take this off, pull the two legs out and pull that up, and this will fit right into this slot, and you just put the cushions down on top of that. So you've got another bed right there. So that it easily sleeps 5, and probably could even make it 6 if you wanted to do a sleeping bag on the floor. Okay. All right. Once you get inside here, first thing you're going to want to do is, first thing you want to do is slide that out. Okay. Once you slide that out, you get your in and out right here. You just hold it down, and it will slowly slide all the way out. That will come all the way out to about here. So, just for reference, when you come in and you slide that out, be sure, before you leave, be sure you pull everything off the floor like this. So when it slides in, it doesn't kink up, okay? But this is your control for that. If you are on just battery, then that's going to use a ton of your battery sliding that out, okay? So I would recommend waiting until you get it hooked up to the electricity, or else you get your generator on, okay? Another option you have here, these are your two light switches for outside. You got a yellow LED light, and you got another outside light that cut outside lights for all sides. You have an awning that you can extend and retract. The awning, I'm going to have you step down here, Terry, and show it from this side. Okay, kind of show them right up here. When you're starting to extend the awning, you want to really watch right here on this door, because that can get caught on the door and kink that up. Okay? That will go all the way out. Just hold it down until it's done. And then when it's done, if you continue to hold it down, it'll just roll, come all the way back up. Okay, that's a nice little touch when the sun is shining. Pause. Okay, inside, first thing I like to do is, after you've got the thing slid out, is come in here. If you're going to want some hot water, flip this heater switch. Okay, you've got about a 6-gallon hot water heater tank, and it'll take a little while to heat up. So that barely gives you enough water to, if you're taking a shower, to hose down, turn it off, soap up, and then rinse off. It's not a ton of water, but you'll need to get that going if you want it to be warm. Okay. Next thing is right here's your freezer and your refrigerator. Okay, but you got to turn that on. So if you'll turn on, you hit the on and off button, and then it will go to automatic. What automatic means is if it detects the electricity there, it'll flip it to electricity. If you're not on electricity, just hit the gas button, and that'll make it run off of propane. Okay, but it automatically figures it out if you're hooked up to electricity. if you get cold at night, just hit your heater. That's a thermostat. So you hear it click, and that'll start your blower down here. Okay, it'll take a minute for that to heat up, but once it's up, it heats it up pretty fast in here. You can adjust your thermostat hot or cold based on what you like right here. While we're at it, above you is your air conditioner and heater through here, and you can adjust all of the fan and everything right through these channels right here. Okay, pause. Okay, you've got 2 gas heaters on the stove, propane heaters. You do not have what you do not have is an oven. Okay, so you do have, however, a microwave. That works fine. You want to see? It's a little one, but it'll get the job done. Okay, then you've got the shower and toilet. Okay, you've got, if you want to crank your window or your top up, you've got a button here, you got a fan, you got an exhaust fan in there. Okay. Do not forget and drive off and leave that up. The wind, you're liable to lose that in the wind. Okay. Toilet, if you've ever been around a camper, just go hold the side, just do it until it washes out. And by the way, this is where you'll put your hose. Get that going, stick your hose down in there so it holds that open, and until you're done. We'll always keep toilet paper in here, and it's designed for RVs. It's designed to dissolve faster, so it flushes through better when you're doing your waste removal. So don't worry about your own toilet. Now, let's see here. There'll be a few, for the most part. You need to bring your own towels and your own sheets and your own pillows and that kind of thing. Because of the COVID thing, we're trying to eliminate all the issues that we can with that. What we right now we've got in here some paper plates and bowls, and you got a little bit of coffee. You want to bring your own coffee, I'm sure. And we have a coffee pot down there, so we've got filters and some napkins and that kind of thing. We also see what my wife has left us here. Inside here is the coffee pot. You want to get a little closer, babe, so you can see it. We'll leave you with spick and span and dishwashing stuff and all stuff to clean up, basically. Okay. You've got Kleenexes in there, paper towels. I'm not sure what all's in here. Cutting board, scissors, a few knives and stuff like that. But for the most part, you'll need your own utensils and that kind of thing. We do have one skillet and one pan, right? We have one skillet and one pan, okay? The trash in here, underneath all that are a ton of plastic trash bags, so you don't need to bring those. So you'll have to be able to haul your trash out. Okay. Pause. Okay, when you get ready to go, you're going to want to obviously bring your slide in. Be sure don't forget to shut your windows. It's hard to see that they're even open sometimes, and we've forgotten that. When you get ready to go, this is the pad that's inside the top one. Just pull it off. Get that up. Pause. There we go. I'm a little rusty at that one. Okay, there's your couch. It's all back to normal. And from there, all you need to do is just come back over here and and slide your whole thing back in. Pause. Okay, I think that's it. That's all I can think of right now. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I think you should have that information. My cell phone is 719-688-1087, and we'll look forward to meeting you. Thank you.